OMGs, OMGs,
Yeah, we got this.
OMGs,
That
well,
time again.
OMGs, OMGs.
I'm getting the Ellen Jobbing Mrs. OMG. My lovely husband, you know, in my OMG. And together you can call us the OMG. Sit back, relax, and sip your tea. We keep you company.
OMGs, 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 well, OMGs, OMGs,
Welcome to our channel, OMGs. 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 OMGs, 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 OMGs. I like rubbing with this thing. I don't know, not
Yeah,
complaining.
baby, it's your baby.
I know.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hey.
Yeah, you thought we had missed this week. Sykes?
Psych.
Is it Psych or Sykes?
It's psych, it's psych. Just like when people say stuffs or feedbacks. Yeah.
We are here. It's the 7th day of the week. Although she's saying it's the first day of the week. Go and
Oh,
read your
yeah,
Bible
isn't
well.
it?
Jesus rested on the 7th
Wait,
day.
guys, please.
Today is the day of rest.
Is Sunday the first or the last day of the week?
Sunday is the last
This
day
is
of
the
the week.
forever. This is the ever
So we
going.
didn't miss a
debate.
week.
Okay.
But what do you guys think? Yeah.
What y'all think? How you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you've had a good week.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's, post Valentine's. Is it Boxing Day or Valentine's? Or the day after? This is the day after Valentine's. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great Valentine's. If you did not have a Valentine, I hope you did not slit your wrist. I'm joking. That's not a joke. That's not funny. That's not funny. Sorry. That's not funny. Actually, don't put this in, please. That's not funny.
I'm going to have to put it
No,
in.
you can't put it. You know why? Some lady just offed herself, like popular presenter. That's really sad. Anyway,
Whoa. Kill herself because she didn't have a Valentine.
no, she she was the host of Love Island. Part of the big why it even is so popular now is because of this lady. She had an issue with her boyfriend, and then, like, apparently she hit him or something. He didn't want to prosecute it, but they went on ahead and prosecuted it anyway. And she was about to start trial in March. She got let go of her job from her. She had to
But
step
that does
down
not have
from her
anything
job.
to do with what you said. No?
Okay, but still, people
'Cause,
do that.
But I'll have to put it so that we'll now tell them that there's really, you can't
No, I don't wanna
You
make
can't
light
kill
of that.
yourself before
I don't wanna
because of-
I don't want to make light of it. It's like I'm making light of people slitting their wrists, and people do it. Like people cut themselves.
No, but you didn't joke about it. You said don't slit your wrist, don't kill yourself because you didn't have a Valentine.
Yeah,
So
that's what I
yeah.
meant, yeah.
So yeah, I just won my case of putting it here. So that's why you saw it. That's why it was here.
Okay.
But yeah, back to the issue. I think that's what we should talk about today. Valentine's
Valentine's is coming.
it's no big
Valentine's
deal
has
in
come.
two ways. First off, yeah, like if you don't have a lover now, does not mean you won't have a lover for the rest of your life. Do you understand? Or if you have been meeting all the wrong people and it's been ending bad. We've even spoken about this a lot of times and
Yeah.
everything. The biggest form of Valentine after Jesus dying for us is you loving yourself. Do you understand?
That's right.
Once you love yourself,
yourself.
like if you love yourself enough, yeah, there's nothing missing. Do you understand? Every other thing will just fall in place.
Fall into
Like
place.
you are already complete. Then when you meet the right person, the person will just join you in your state of
Yeah.
completion or completeness.
Ooh, nice. The
Oh.
completion was right. Nice. Because that's what I was saying. That when my first Valentine's Day with the fella was with you, right? And I remember that. I know. Virgin in so many ways. Anyway. So it was with you, and it was lovely. It was really lovely. I think the one that would have been my first, I ended up just spending it crying. And before that, I never was bothered about Valentine's Day. I never felt the need, when I was growing up, when I was a little bit younger. When I got to a point where I was happy with myself, I was, focusing on my focus, as enjoying life. I did not care when Valentine's Day came, and I was not grumpy about it either. I think when people are like, Valentine's is just for the all these people that just want to make you spend your money. All this it's all what's that word? Is that word? And I'm like, It's slipping off my tongue, but the opposite of communism, anyway, all of it's just trying to make you spend money. It's consumerist. It's not good. That's just bitterness. I'm sorry. Bitterness. It's bitterness. I'm sorry.
And yeah, and still based on what I was saying, you know, they always say the biggest form of discovery is self-discovery when you discover yourself, and that's the biggest form of love too. Is like, because when you love yourself, see, I think we said it already before. Marriage is not two incomplete people coming together to be complete. Marriage is two complete people coming together to further their completeness. If I can put it that way, do you understand? Like that's why they say 1 + 1 is 1. They don't say half plus half is 1. Do you understand? So you're already complete on your path. Another person is complete on their path. And they say 2 is better than 1. So the completion, you people now bring it together. You get. So what I'm basically just trying to say is the fact that, yeah, you don't have anyone, Abi. So you're by yourself. Everybody's doing Valentine's. You didn't see anybody to do Valentine's. So
what?
take yourself out. Do you understand?
Yeah. Go get a massage.
Because if you feel, sorry, excuse me, if you feel unloved, I don't think there's anybody that can remove you feel unloved. Because like everything comes with self-conviction first. You know you are good enough. You know there's nothing wrong with you. Do you understand? You know the fact that you've not met anybody is not your loss. It's the loss of every other person you've met. And it's because the person that God really made for you, specially for you, because you are that special, is still in the process, is on the way, and everything. You get, like, basically what I'm saying is when everything is settled with you by yourself, like you've studied, because you yourself, you are a cost for you to study. Do you understand? You're at university. When you've studied yourself to the point that you understand yourself fully, then like there is nothing that can steal your joy.
That's right.
You feel me?
And I think also when you seek validation, you will never find it. I think the reality is when we understand where true validation comes from, the fact that Jesus Christ died for you and he loves you and God loves me, that's enough. And I love me. If you don't love me, I'm going to go and love me, because the fact of the matter is someone who can love you, but if you don't love yourself, it's not enough. You will not even feel it. You will not even get to enjoy it. The people that they're so insecure in themselves and they will have someone that loves them so much, but they can't appreciate it because they don't love themselves.
And finding the right person is just a furtherance of that self-love. Do you understand? Because you love yourself, then you find someone that loves you so much. And you have no choice than to love that person, because this might, like, you actually, are you serious? You see my worth? Are you see what I've been talking about all this while? So that means you're amazing too. Do you understand? So it's like positive energy colliding and bringing about more positivity and everything, and fulfillment of purpose. So the long and short of this thing that we just dropped, the long and short of this thing we just dropped is, there ain't nothing wrong with you if you ain't got nobody to spend. There's even nothing like ain't getting nobody to spend Valentine's with. This, you understand? If you have family, let's even assume that you are the only one they give birth to, and your parents are old, they are not here again, and you don't have any sibling in this life. There are people you can share love with.
There's
do you
people
understand?
that need love
so
out there.
it's not restricted to male and female that can copulate.
That's and I think that's what this culture has made us feel like. If you're not with a boyfriend, which is it's not even like boyfriend, girlfriend, that is laying out petals for people. Anyway, if you're not having sex on that day, it's like that means your life is not worth living. Or if you're not with a lover, it's like your life is not worth living.
And who says you have to have sex on Valentine's Day? But continue.
Saint Valentine, if you know the story, from one of the, I don't know whether it's a real story, but it could be a legend, that he was someone that was locked up. He was a priest. He was in love with a woman, and he used to write her letters, but anyway he died for this love. I don't know, this is the rubbish version of the story, but it was about love, love that was not quite, the Shah didn't shack up, they didn't have sex. People get all that, all of this Cupid love, all this eros, all that kind of stuff.
Lives. A lot of people are pregnant now. Like is for example, this Okada ban. At least they say they ban Okada so that people will not die. At least there's something you can do about people. But this Valentine, every year people will be getting pregnant and be heartbroken
because people feel like you have to.
And it's as a result of not discovering and loving yourself enough. Do you understand? When you love yourself enough, you know that it's not about what that guy is giving you that day or whatever lies is, or because you just want to feel among the people that have booze on the day of. So you now want to do whatever the guy needs you to do, and at the end of the day, is this still recording? You're left by yourself. Yeah. So anyways, we have spoken so much on this.
But I want to say something, let's not condemn Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, because some people do a lot. They'll like, they'll try to rubbish it just to make other people feel
But
better.
we've not even finished.
Okay,
Do you understand?
okay,
No, we've not finished. We've just finished the first part. There are two
okay.
parts. So I think the topic of this video will be, what is the big deal about Valentine's?
It's a big deal.
So
Okay.
the second, talk on it.
Yeah. No, yeah.
Okay. So the second part is for people that are already in a relationship, serious relationship, or married. What's the big deal about Valentine? Valentine, to me, is no big deal. Although, yeah, celebration of love, you should celebrate it. But Valentine's Day is no big deal because I feel every other day should be like Valentine's Day. Do you understand? You should love each other. Because there are people like that. I dare say that we are actually like that because it was just like any other, especially now that we have been free, not free, especially now that Feromi has been going to school and we spend a lot of time together. You get? So it was just, you get,
nice.
the only thing that if you want to really do Valentine's Day, then do something that maybe you have not, that when you do, that person will know that you really did. For example, let's say you just woke up and you just see me buy you GLX Mercedes SUV 2025 that is not even out yet. Do you understand? You feel me? So it's good for you to separate a day and yeah, we're all celebrating love. But I don't think it should be different from every other day.
It
Do you understand?
so out of the ordinary, like you're like, oh, I really know you love me. No, I should know that you love me.
Exactly. So that's the point I'm making, because a lot of people reserve their love for that Valentine's Day. And like, yeah, maybe they are really busy throughout the year, but they are like, at least if I show you this day, you know I still love you. So it's like a day to mark the register, a day to mark the roll call that I'm still on your love list, I still love you.
Now,
so see you next year.
Husbands that only make breakfast on Valentine's Day out of the whole year. The thing is, if you're someone that doesn't
I don't even make it any. I didn't even make it. I didn't make it. So, but I make breakfast, but I don't make it on Valentine's Day. I make it anytime. Yeah. Do you want to say that I've not made breakfast for you before in this life?
That's different. Made for me in this life.
Do you understand? So
to make it like it's the actual regular occurrence.
No, it's not regular. But what I'm saying is, I'm not even bothering myself to say that okay, I'm making breakfast on Valentine's Day, but I make breakfast for you anyways. I do. At least I've made breakfast for you more than, at least you don't reach 10 times.
No.
How many times have I made breakfast for you?
No. Ooh.
You're an ingrate, you this guy. I keep saying it. You are always an ingrate because you always forget.
The thing is,
like you always forget.
Maybe if you can do it more times so I can never forget. Do you understand?
It's not my thing because I won't even make breakfast for myself. Before I met you, I drink cereal and I eat noodles and I'm good. Do you understand?
I say this thing that, I always say this.
But before you, because I know what you are about to say, but every single breakfast I've made is because I thought about you. You are the reason I made the breakfast. Exactly.
And that's the same way I make breakfast.
Exactly.
It's the same, like this morning when I made.
No, but you will make breakfast for yourself normally.
But not, even if I didn't feel like it, I was still, like this morning, I did not feel like making breakfast. Really, I actually didn't. And I didn't need to because I had yam yesterday. But I know that you've been feeling a lot of motion sickness, and what I was worried that I feel like maybe you're lacking in a bit of iron, and I said to you that you need to eat vegetable. So I said, okay, let me make vegetable for you, like that will make it in a way that will be tasty for you to eat as well. And I thought I would like some too, but it was primarily because of you. There's a lot of things that you.
So you do because of me.
No, like even in terms of like things that I do regularly, but I may not feel like doing it that day. But I still do it because I'm doing it.
But the fact that you do it because you do it because of me, and me, I don't do it. It doesn't mean that because you do it, I should reciprocate.
I know.
I dare say that the times I've made breakfast is because of you, and because maybe I saw that you were really tired the day before and everything. You get other times, there are times that you've been tired that I didn't do anything because maybe I worked in the night, like I slept very late and everything. So
or you say that things are it's just not my thing, or I'm not a morning person. Sometimes I say that. What I was trying to say was that we can't use that as an excuse. In like 2020, you got to come better than that. Even I'd rather you say that I just don't really feel like it than tell me that it's
I'm not a morning person, but being a morning person because of you. Exactly.
It's not because of me. Because of yourself.
If left to me, I'm not still a morning person. My life is still good. Not being a morning person, left to me by myself. But it's not complete because you are here and there are things that has to be done in the morning. So I have to. But if I was by myself, I'm still good.
That in itself is love.
Yeah, so you need to understand. I don't know how we got here. I don't know how we got to this conversation. But yeah, anyways. So what's the big deal about Valentine's? Yeah, Valentine's is a great day to celebrate love and everything. But okay, for example now, see what she just said. So let's say it was just on Valentine's Day. I woke up and I just made breakfast for her, then it won't make any difference. It won't make.
No, it would actually.
Wait, like,
Yeah.
and for the rest, everything goes back. It won't. It's
I'm
just
looking
like.
forward to Valentine's Day every
And that it doesn't. Do you
You'll finally
understand?
make me breakfast.
So it's better. See,
Oh, actually, this is not so bad actually.
it's better from my own, from where I sit. Things that you really don't do, that you have to go out of your way to do, it's better you do them scatteredly, than to
Yeah,
just
but-
do them once.
But isn't it better to do it once and not at all?
Oh,
not
okay.
too
So
shabby.
cool.
No,
So which I should leave.
No, I'm not saying that. For those that never,
No. Which you prefer?
no, I'm using it as example. I'm using Africa
No,
as
because
example.
I'm just telling them now that it's better for you to. Okay,
Scatter,
let's
yes.
say you are making breakfast 5 times in a year. That is not. It doesn't have any date. They just wake up
Yeah.
and they are pleasantly surprised. They were not expecting.
That's
Or Valentine's Day that they know that okay, something should happen at least, and you make breakfast. Even
Or you do it scatteredly and then add Valentine's.
so
and
it's still my
birthday.
own point.
And Christmas.
and the whole year. Yeah. So Sha, my point is,
Yeah.
your spouse should look at Valentine's and be happy that you did this, but it shouldn't be so much of a disparity from your day-to-day
Yeah,
life. Do you
I
understand?
agree.
It's even better if it's exactly the same way your day-to-day life is, in the sense that your day-to-day love life is so interesting and is so full of surprises. Do you understand?
Yes. Valentine's should encourage us to be more loving as opposed to we wait for that time to be loving. Yeah. It should encourage us.
Valentine's should not be Christmas.
It shouldn't be
Do you
Christmas.
understand? You know that feeling when children look like they won't even remember what they taught them in school because they are waiting to wear that shoe you bought for them on Christmas Day. It shouldn't be Valentine's.
Even in that, I think that it's almost like that when we save that one dress or one shoe.
No, babe, you can't relate that to your life and love. Like that's the day you now get to experience real love. That's the day you now get to see that
Yeah, it's love.
this your ice block husband or wife actually has one mate of
I'm
love.
not relating
Do you
that. To love.
understand?
I'm just finding interesting. That's the interesting comparison. The fact that why do we wait so long to wear something that is nice? I used to be like that. And
But
I'm
we're
like-
not like that anymore. I'm just talking about
no,
when
no,
we're
no,
younger.
but it took me even when I was older. It took me a long time to get
But
out.
we're not like that again.
Yeah,
It's just a throwback. I
Yes,
just said
yeah,
nobody
no,
waits
it's
to.
not.
Some people who wears Christmas. What is even Christmas dress in these days and day and age? So it makes more sense. Like everybody already knows it. Like you're a buffer. You know what I mean by buffer? Like you dress
You dress
well
nice.
every
You got
day.
drip.
Every day.
Dripping.
Then on Christmas Day you just now go a little bit. You go a notch higher. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So the long and short of this story is, if Valentine is the only day you show love, then that love you are showing on Valentine, divide it by 365 and Kuku be showing it every day of the year. Don't make your spouse have to wait for one day in a year before you show love. But you can increase whatever love you've been showing, or you can just make that person feel special in a different way on Valentine's Day, but showing love.
Providing that one day of love in 365, that's really bad.
No, but baby, it makes more sense.
But I feel like
Wait.
it's not real love then if it's only one day that you
That's
do
what
it.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like I'm just giving worst case scenario.
yeah.
But that's what I'm saying. You should not love your spouse once in a day, because in Kuku makes one sense that so your love should be 1 divided by 365. At least they should be seeing that pinch of sort of love in you every day. Like don't like.
Yeah.
For example, like my dad that used to come and give us calendar on the first day of the year.
It makes me really sad when you
Do
tell
you
that
understand?
story.
You feel me?
makes me
So
really sad.
love should not have like a timetable. Like okay, this is when it is coming. Do you understand? Love should be shared every day.
Every day.
But yeah, February 14 is not. I'm not like where you were. This is where you now say what you were going to say, that it's not to be rubbished. This post is not saying February 14 is nothing and everything. But if you had to choose between waiting for that one day in a year before you show love, or showing love every day, then even if it's show love every day, then don't show love on February 14. Which one will you choose?
As in every day.
Do you understand?
Every day.
Yeah.
You need that.
Celebrate it feels good. If you, for example, okay, give cases of couples that are not even public, that they are private and everything. If maybe it's that one day you post your wife, if you people are even conservative, that's why I don't blame all those people in Benin that they say they saw one big signboard and the person celebrating his wife. Maybe that's his wife.
Because
Maybe,
before social media, that's what people were doing. Like
and a lot of people will be like, are you doing this for your wife, or you are doing this for people to see? But maybe
the declaration of his
maybe he actually did it for just his wife because he knew how his wife will react when he sees
Yes,
that. Maybe he doesn't
love.
care whatever the rest of you world thinks. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So leave people to express their love however they
want to.
but
They're not hurting anybody.
Banky said something today. You can't lie to yourself and you can't lie to God. So you shall know within yourself that you are showing love, and it's not just about this, and it's not just for the world to be like, oh, cute couple and everything. Do you get?
You know that you're just showing that love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
It's like that post that I posted. I didn't even like the picture of myself particularly because I love you and I wanted to let people remind people how much. No, I love you and I wanted to declare my love for you publicly because I love you.
Meanwhile, when I said it earlier, I felt a vibe when I said I dare say that we are every day is Valentine's. I think I felt a vibe from you like, that's a lie.
And when did you say it?
I said I was going to go back to that because I felt I saw a look from you that if I'm lying, please tell me. If it's only in my mind, I'll be today now earlier in the video because I was like, when I started by saying Valentine's should not just be restricted to Valentine, every other day should be like Valentine's Day. So when I said I dare say that we share love every day, I felt there was I felt a vibe.
I have no recollection of this particular comment. So I'm sure my face was thinking. I'm even thinking myself.
So if I did lie, just let me. If now only me they show love to myself, my sister.
No, I love you so much.
Anyways, we are going to do 10 minutes today, but
you're my bestie.
She has learnt now. That last time that I wanted to kiss her, that she didn't want to kiss me. I showed her I didn't move near her for like 2 weeks.
After we
Yeah, give me Valentine's
like
kiss.
2 seconds.
Give me Valentine's kiss.
Peck. Not kiss.
You have started again.
I said peck.
Respect yourself.
You better try. I gave you something.
Respect yourself. No, kiss me.
I'm kissing
I will
you.
blow it. They won't see it. Kiss me.
That's a lie. You tell me.
1. Before I count 5.
I love you. Thank you guys for watching.
Kiss me. Will you kiss? What's your problem? Will you kiss me? What's your? You have seen. Don't touch me.
Thank you guys for watching.
I'm fasting. I'm going on Yetunde fast. I'm doing Yetunde fast.
Now you do yourself. Like this video if you like the video, guys. Comment below. Let us know what you think.
I'm doing Yetunde fast.
And how was your Valentine's? Whether it was with somebody or alone, how did you spend it? Let us know below.
Leave me alone. Don't touch.
Don't